Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can complete the square in order to find the vertex of a quadratic equation, or quadratic function. So we're going to start with a basic quadratic function, generic. F of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So now, I'm going to do a little bit of clever grouping here. Only going to take those first two terms. And out of that, I'm going to factor out an a. So that'll leave me with a times x squared plus b over a, and then plus c on the outside. Well, now is where things are going to get real clever. We're going to recall that if I gave you x plus d squared, that's going to equal x squared plus 2dx plus d squared. So we want that b over a to be 2d in this case, and we're going to add what we need to. So we're going to divide that by 2 and square it. At this point, I'm going to actually do that literally. So I get a times x squared plus b over a plus b over 2a squared plus c, and then I've got to do things a little bit differently here because I added that b squared over 2a inside the parentheses and I multiplied by an a outside. I now need to subtract a times b squared, or b over 2a squared. So now, inside of those parentheses, I can go ahead and factor this. So I get a times x plus b over 2a squared. On the outside, I am going to go ahead and apply the squaring, so plus c minus a times b squared over 4a squared. But a factor of a is going to cancel out here. So that's going to leave me with a times x plus b over 2a squared plus c minus b squared over 4a. But now let's take a look at what's going to happen if I consider f of negative b over 2a. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this vertex form that we have here, rather than the original equation. Everything we've done here is derived from that, so that's perfectly fine. So if I plug that in here, plug in a minus b over 2a, that's just going to go to 0, so I'm just left with that c minus b over 2a. So I get I completely said that incorrectly. That should have been c minus b squared over 4a. So I get f of negative b over 2a is equal to c minus b squared over 4a. So we take care of that term. So that will allow us to say the vertex is going to be a shift to the left by b over 2a units, and then a shift up of c minus b squared over 4a units, but that's the same as f of minus b over 2a. So we can say that the vertex is minus b over 2a, then the function evaluated at minus b over 2a. So that'll do it for the section 3.3 material. I do have more videos for your next class covering the material from section 3.1.